Hello, this is Queer Spirit. This is my first video on Queer Spirit. And today I'm going to be talking about the topic of the Gay Incel Dog Whistle. The Gay Incel Dog Whistle is a very nuanced and slippery topic, and I might be making more videos on this dog whistle, like this exact dog whistle specifically. It is highly important for me to inform the queer community that this dog whistle is a thing and that it is a threat to us all. Okay, if you do not know what a dog whistle is, there are plenty of sources that can inform you. Natalie Wynn from ContraPoints has done a few good videos explaining what dog whistles are. They are encrypted messages spewed out by fascists trying to maintain a low profile so they don't blow their cover as fascists. So they utter out encrypted messages to each other, hence why it's called a dog whistle. Like, you know how an actual dog whistle is a whistle that can only be heard by dogs? A fascist dog whistle is a coded message that can only be heard by fascists. Though there are plenty of leftists around the world trying to figure out how to detect a dog whistle. And the dog whistle that I want to talk about today is the Gay Incel Dog Whistle. The term incel, if you do not know it already, means involuntary celibacy. However, it is being used as an excuse to hate women. Now, the Gay Incel Dog Whistle is multifaceted. It can be used in a number of ways. Now, the first way is when a gay person says that they're an incel. Now, what they're doing is they're trying to prove the world that incels are not misogynistic, even though they are. Now, the second way the Gay Incel Dog Whistle is uttered, and this is really important, but it's also really manipulative. It is super manipulative. It can really screw up a lot of anti-fascists, a lot of leftists who want to kick out fascists from their communities. Because this one labels gay people who are not fascists as fascists, therefore, like, really confusing all of us about who's who. The Gay Incel Dog Whistle that I'm discussing today is the one where literally Proud Boys are the ones calling gay people incels when they're not actually. And when this happens, that is a dog whistle. That is a dog whistle that means that the gay person who is being accused of being an incel is being stalked by a militant hate group. Everywhere that gay person goes, a gay conversion therapist is stalking them. Everywhere a gay person goes, gay conversion therapists are stalking them. So the idea that the gay person is an incel is just a far-right joke, and it's a homophobic one, and it's the worst one in existence. It's just saying, ha ha ha, gay person, we turn you into an incel because all you can meet is a gay conversion therapist. The only people you can interact with are just fucking gay conversion therapists. Sorry, I get getting really emotional right now. It's really very important for me to just get this information out there in any way I can, that the Gay Incel Dog Whistle is a gay conversion therapy dog whistle, and it is enforced gay conversion therapy. Gay conversion therapy being done onto gay people who did not consent to gay conversion therapy. Gay people who say that I'm proud to be gay. That's the point that I'm trying to get out. So, yeah, there you have it. And I should also discuss how enforced gay conversion therapy works, because some people might be confused about that whole topic. Basically, how it works is through gaslighting and manipulating queer people into thinking that they're straight when they're not actually. Gay conversion therapists even pretend to be gay when they're making friends with the gay people who they're trying to, screw around with. They even rape them to prove to the gay person that all gay people are just rapists. But of course, this is false evidence. This is just made up. This is planted by gay conversion therapists. First, if you are a gay man or you look like a gay man, I am non-binary. I do say that I am gay. I am attracted to men. And I'm also heterosexual. So I'm kind of like an oddball in the gay community. But despite that, I do have to watch my back with gay conversion therapists screwing around with my head. People who are super interested in astrology and are constantly going oh, you're an Aries? That means that you're super sexual actually, and you're lying about being ace. That's how enforced gay conversion therapy works. It also works in bed, where they actually rape you themselves. If you are attracted to men and you identify as being gay in one way or another, then that means that gay conversion therapists will send male gay conversion therapists after you first, just to teach you that all gay men are rapists. And then they sick gay conversion female gay conversion therapists after you, just to make a point that women are much friendlier, therefore they're safer to have sex with. That's how enforced gay conversion therapy works. It is rape. You are being raped by both genders, actually, when it comes down to enforced gay conversion therapy. And it is the most sickest and vile thing I have witnessed. So, anyways, if you wish to subscribe. If you wish to like my video. And bye.